The ego of the modern man says the ancient man was a stupid fellow. He had no clue of science. He was unscientific. Are? He survived, and he survived well before all of us for many, many years without the ills of global warming, without the ills of so many people ill, without the ills of environmental degradation, plastics filling the ocean and things like that. And yet we think he was unscientific and we are more scientific. So what we are saying is, we are not saying this system is good or bad. We are saying, okay, if a system has earned $1 trillion, multi-trillion dollars, and yet not delivered health and wellness, which is our natural state. So my point is very simple and crucial. It is my natural state, which means the body wants to spring back into its natural state. It cannot remain in a stress state for long. It will bounce back into its natural state. So we have one force which is saying, okay, the body should recover its health, recover its wellness, and become the natural healthy body as it is supposed to be. And on the other side, it is not happening, which means that there is something stopping the body's natural mechanism to heal itself and be in a buoyancy of health and wellness. It's not happening. So, okay, so what can we do? The body's natural mechanisms will bring back health. So let us maybe not interfere that much in that process. And maybe the reasoning could be using more of nature in our life. So I'm not saying go back to organic. I'm not saying keep eating food grown in your own house. Don't have this or that, but maybe interfere less by using less man-made chemicals. So God's own store, what we have done, we are adding a little bit of nature to everybody's life. So we are saying, okay, if you have pain, there are certain plant extracts, if applied topically to certain parts of the body, can heal and help the body heal itself. Slowly we realized, when we started this 25 years ago, we realized that we started with pain and other simple things. Though pain is no longer simple because 40% world population has joint pains. But slowly we realized that there are healing mechanisms in the body which we may not be aware of today, despite the advances of molecular biology and genetic science and things which propagate and promote scientific thinking. We still have a very small clue about what is actually healing the body. And the philosophy at God's own store is, okay, let it be natural. So if a medicine can be avoided and an oil can be used, a natural oil can be used, use it. If natural oil can be avoided and just a natural food can be used or a spice can be used, avoid the oil. If natural spice can be avoided by just maybe exercising a bit more, do that. So the idea is a healthy man, which is the natural state of man. So happiness is your natural state. Health is the natural state of your body. Equanimity is the natural state of your mind. Sharpness of intellect is the natural state of your intellect. Individuality is the natural state of ego.